All right, what's the name of the vessel and the numbers here?
So this is the Cavalla SS-244.
All right.
And it is, it was launched in November 1943, and it was commissioned February 29th, 1944, and so it was nicknamed the Lucky Lady because of the leap year.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I guess because this is a sub, it definitely got some cramped areas in here.
Yes, it's approximately 312 feet long, and at the widest beam is 27 feet.
Wow. All right. I guess let's move on to the next one. So tell me about this vessel.
This is the USS Stewart, SS-238, and it was originally in World War II. After the war, it was retrofitted for the Cold War, where they stripped a lot of things out and put in different equipment. And then they stripped a lot of that equipment out when they scrapped the ship. The claim to fame for this vessel was it escorted President Roosevelt. He was on the Iowa, and this was the destroyer escort for that trip when he went to Iran, I believe, for the secret meeting with Stalin and Churchill.
Wow. A lot of switches here. Well, very cool. Thanks for opening the door for me.
Well, you are most welcome.
This is the private tour that nobody gets to see. Hey, wait a minute. That air conditioner is not factory. That's not period correct. Okay.